Hello guys, we are back in Koii nodes, which I did a video a week ago or something, and I really think is going to be a great project, and I've got some updates and exactly step by step how to do those tasks, because in the other video I was doing this the first time honestly. So I'm gonna just go quickly through this stuff and quickly through the faucet, which maybe confuses some of you. But what happened honestly with my node, they did some updates, and when they did the update, the new version asked me to log in again with my seed phrase, and I noticed I never even saved it. So the first step you're gonna get from me here is, once you do this faucet, once you download, you'll see my link from Koii nodes. You will download the nodes, install it, and you will have your seed phrase. Basically save that seed phrase. Is 12 words. Take a screenshot or write it down, make sure it's saved, because when they do another update to the software, they might do the same thing, and just make sure you have it. So once you install it, it will not show you the screen yet, but it will take you to the faucet. In the faucet you will put the code. I'll give you the code, and you'll get extra Koii. I think it's like 5, but to get them you have to complete email as well and Twitter. So email, basically you put your email, you get a code, you put it here. Twitter, you will have a tweet to send and then check it. And GitHub, I didn't have GitHub account, but I created it especially for the Koii network. It's also, it takes 5 minutes, and you'll get also extra Koii. And Discord, unfortunately I already used it on the other account, so they they tried to connect, but obviously it's not possible, because I already had some money on the other one, and I'm gonna create another Discord account just for that. So that's it. You just click on those things, and you get probably something like that, or even more with Discord, around 13 Koii. Once you have it, we are going here to the nodes. When you are in your nodes, you won't see anything here. Again, you've got here on the tasks, you should have some money like in available balance, or it will take a little while to receive it from that faucet. And basically now we are here in the tasks. So a couple of them, this 4 will be here, because this other 4, they require you to set up Twitter username. So I didn't do them, because again you would have to probably make some other Twitter account, like a secondary, and then you can provide the password, the other details here. So I did only those ones, and each of them basically requires you to stake some money, some tokens. So basically this one, I think it's always says like the minimum here, minimum. So you have your balance here. Let's say you've got 10 or 15 Koii, and you just basically put the minimum on all of them. As you can see, I've got here already a bit more, like this one is 5, but it was, the minimum was 1.9, and I just added. So once you add the those ones, remember, try only those 4s, because you don't need to create any passwords or stuff like that from Twitter, and then just run it. Once you run it, so you press on settings and you put the stake, or in here you can put the minimum stake on other 4, and just run it. And once you run them all, you will see them here. Like I have free token task, art with inflation, and big task. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna start earning rewards, obviously. And when you have those rewards, I just started literally half an hour ago again. And once you have your rewards, you claim them in the button here, and they will jump to your available balance. And from available balance, you can obviously maximize your gains by increasing the stake in each of them. But obviously there is some minimum in each. So if you want to add, you'll see that the minimum is like 0.9, for example, in this one. If you want to add to this one, minimum is like 1.7. So basically You just have to wait a little bit until you have a bit more, and keep adding some more stakes, and then figure out which one works best. I think this one, I don't know why it's showing all time 18. It seems like it's pulling my previous results, but obviously I had to create a new account, so I saved everything now. So just remember that, and when you run it, keep adding to stake, you know, when you have some available balance, and that's it. Keep growing. Those 4 tasks are fine. Like I said, you can do the other from Twitter as well, and these ones are the easiest, the most popular. All you have to do is add some money at the minimum at the beginning, and run all 4 if possible, and then keep adding to some. You see there is something wrong, so I just literally leave it as it is in the background, check it once a day or something, and just earn the money. Hopefully I can get to some decent amount again, but that's how it works, and it can have huge potential. Koii nodes, absolutely free, very good project with your nodes. So this is an update. Now I know exactly how it works, what you have to look out for. Any questions, let me know, and see you in the next one.